Okay, here's a quick overview of the question. So the first step is always to factor, and I can't factor this at all. I can't factor any of the denominators. So then I got to combine the fractions on one side, and I noticed that these two have the same denominator, which is great. So I'm going to add the numerator and then keep the denominator the same. So after I do that, I'm going to get x minus 4 plus 2 over 3x squared, and I'll go ahead and simplify that to x minus 2, right? And then so when you get to this point, when you have a fraction on one side and a fraction on the other side, you can cross multiply just like that. So you go ahead and cross multiply x squared times x minus 2, 3x squared times 3, and you get something that looks like this, right? So then you have to simplify that. So I distributed the 3 and the x squared, and I got this. Then I have to set it equal to 0, because when you have a quadratic, you want to always set it equal to 0 so you can solve it. Then I got x cubed minus 11x squared, and I know I can factor that using GCF. So I'll factor out an x squared, and then I get x squared, x minus 11. So using the zero product property, I know that the two solutions are 0 and 11. But I find out that the 0 doesn't work, because if I look at the original problem, if I put 0 in as a solution, I can't divide by 0. So that's a no-no. But for x equals 11, yeah, that'll work. That'll work totally fine, because I can still divide by, 11 squared. Okay.